Welcome to the special edition of the podcast series, Regional Mentor Interview by Vinod Tiwari, where you will discover true motivational stories of India. To represent 34 states and 722 districts of India, there is only 90 regional mentor of change and around 5,000 plus mentor of change who are associated with the flagship initiative of Atal Tinkering Lab by Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog. These intellectuals and experts have been selected for mentoring to 7,200 schools across India, where approx 5 million students are benefited directly, with a vision to cultivate 1 million children in India as Neoteric innovators. Mr. Vinod, the host of the show, is also a regional mentor of change for Gujarat State, a best-selling author, international speaker, engineering director, an influencer, solar expert awardee, a strategic thinker, and has been referred to as a magician of words. He is truly a professor of success principles from the University of Life. In this podcast, he is going to interview one of the important regional mentors to learn about his journey, accomplishments, and ATL success till date. It would be definitely quite informative and motivating for all of us. Enjoy, and you can thank us later.
Hello, Namaste, Vanakkam, Good morning, Welcome, Sabahil Khair, Kem Cho, Kyamun Achen, Good afternoon or good evening, whatever it is. I am Vinod Tiwari and today I am hosting a special episode. It's called Victory episode of the successful completion of the batch 1. So why it is special? Because this is the year ending last episode of the 2021. And you know what? In this year, we have finished all the regional mentors of interviews from the batch 1 across India. And there are so many reasons to celebrate. You know what? You have created history. Yes, you all have created history. I'm telling you, this is the amazing growth. I never thought about it. The kind of multiplication was happening from across the states is amazing. And you know what? Till today we have completed 23 episodes and many of the episodes are going like viral. It is not only happening in your city or your country, but it's floating globally. I'll give you the data so that you can understand that how massive growth is happening with your podcast show. Your great episode was shining across the globe. You know what? From Asia to Africa, from Australia to Europe, and from Northern America to the Southern America. And you know what? Today is the 24th episode and your podcast was great doing in 24 countries as well. And you want to know that which were the top 5 countries? Let me tell you. The top 5 countries are India, USA, Germany, UAE and UK. They were the top 5 countries. You can clap for yourself. You're doing a great job. And you know what? The episode was flourishing in 150 cities of India. Who were the top 5 cities? Jaipur, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai and Lucknow. They are the top 5 cities. And I just want to salute you all for the massive success. Now you know what? I want to tell you that whom do I interacted so far in last 23 episodes. There were one mentor from each state, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. There were 2 RMOCs from these states, Delhi, Rajasthan and Kerala. And there were 3 RMOCs from Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And you know what? The most RMOCs were from Maharashtra, 5 RMOCs. So let's listen to all these RMOCs about themselves.
Hi, my name is Akhil Damodran. I am Regional Mentor of Change for Uttarakhand and I'm also faculty in School of Business, University of Petroleum Energy Studies. This podcast is actually to connect regional mentors to all students across schools under Atal Tinkering Lab initiative and what the students have to be prepared for the future. And I think the views of the mentors, regional mentors, will be a really important viewpoint for all the students across India.
Hi, this is Anshu Dikshit, and I'm the Regional Mentor of Change for Uttar Pradesh, attached to Atal Innovation Mission since 2018. I belong to the IT industry and have an experience of 6 years. My hometown is Lucknow, where I currently stay. This podcast is very important for students and actually the parents also to understand that these initiatives that are happening all around India are actually to help the students build the future of India. The importance of this podcast can be easily understood by the fact that all the regional mentors of change will be interviewed and what are their thoughts about this program, how they want to take this forward, what all initiatives they have taken.
Namaskar, this is Dr. Ashish Mittal. I would like to first congratulate the person behind this, that is Vinod Tiwari ji, for a very meaningful podcast series that is benefiting students across the globe very widely. Students not only getting their listening skills enhanced, but through this series, other soft skills which are really required to make themselves future ready. As far as my knowledge is concerned, mentors all across are availing this opportunity to enhance their learning and enabling the same to their mentees. The ripple effect of mentoring is clearly seen in this entire series. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Samit. I'm from Pune and I am a co-founder of a social venture named Mitti Ke Rang, wherein we help women entrepreneurs list their product and we help with the marketing and the outreach part. I think this would be definitely helpful for students because as they're growing up, the startup culture would be immense helpful for them to learn with the new technology and how with collaboration and new learnings, they can create a change in the world.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin Srivastav. I am the Regional Mentor of Change at Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog. I also co-own a number of amazing companies and advise a few others as well. This particular interview, the podcast, is quite interesting and quite important for the students, primarily because it gives the vision and the purpose with which the Atal Innovation Mission was created and with which us mentors are carrying it forward. And this concept of doing these interviews is also very exciting because this way the regional mentors can convey what is in their minds.
Hello, I am Chanalal Bothra from Rajasthan, co-founder of Smart Vision India and regional mentor of change. This podcast will help students to know about my journey at Adult Tinkering Labs, my success and failure stories, and how I recreated myself after a lot of ups and downs and lead myself to this path. It should be promoted by all other mentors so that everyone can know about Mentors of Change community who is working selflessly, not for any reward, but with the sense of nation building and contribution to the national development.
Hi, greetings for the day. I'm Deepesh Goyal. I work as an Internet of Things consultant by profession in Industry 4.0. I also volunteer with Atal Innovation Mission as a regional mentor of change, and I'm a passionate writer, author of 2 books. So I would like to talk to the students in this podcast, and I would say the 3 skills which are required in the current generation, which is Industry 4.0, where the disruptive technology is playing a big role, is important for them to know.
Hi, I'm Gauri Datta Sharma. I'm an ideator, a product innovator and a mechanical engineer. I have a lot of passion for innovation and I have had a few successes as well. Through this podcast, I'm hoping to reach out to more and more budding innovators across the world. I'm hoping my thoughts will motivate more and more students to get into creation of intelligent solutions to the problems faced by the world.
Namaskar, this is Dr. Isha Sharma, Regional Mentor of Change for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It gives me immense pleasure and utmost satisfaction that such kind of podcasts have been done at not only even at the national level but also at the international level. covering all the regional mentors, their experiences, their expertise, their challenges, their stories. And henceforth, we are actually trying to create such kind of a virtual repository of knowledge and experiences, which is so named and so unique.
Myself, Jaideep Gopal Birze, and I am an industrialist working for the sugar industry and some of the paper industry. Wherever there is a requirement of energy, I am dealing with the steam turbines. This podcast is the initiative taken by Vinod Tiwari sir. It will help all the students to know who are the MOCs and what are the key points or what are the expertise area they have, and then a student can focus on their career and take guidelines from these RMOCs.
Hi there, I'm Kiran Kumar, Regional Mentor of Change associated with Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, Government of India. Don't forget to listen to my podcast, which is being hosted by Mr. Vinod Tiwari. In this podcast, I will be talking about digital disruption and digital transformation that are sweeping the world today. You'll also hear me talk about 3 unique skills that students need to acquire in order to thrive in the age of smart technologies and smart machines of tomorrow. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Prashant Kakade, Regional Mentor for Atal Innovation Mission, State of Maharashtra. I am very happy to be the part of this particular mission. I am sure that this interview podcast will be definitely helpful for students, teachers and their parents for determining the career of their student or children, because we believe every child has its own potential. He has his unique strength.
Hi, I am Dr. Prashant R. Nair, Regional Mentor of Change, RMOC of Tamil Nadu State. I work as an Associate Professor of Computer Science and Engineering at Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Coimbatore, which is ranked as the #1 private university in India. This podcast is a wonderful opportunity for us to share best practices as also success stories on how to mentor these students at these Atal Tinkering Labs. More than 4 million children have been impacted by this wonderful initiative, and this sharing of ideas, this knowledge exchange will be extremely beneficial for all the mentors of change.
Hello there, I am Brijit Karnagaran, Regional Mentor of Change, Atal Tinkering Labs and Atal Innovation Mission. Besides RMOC from Kerala, by profession I am a strategist, corporate trainer and design thinker. I am happy to be part of this podcast hosted by Sri Vinod Tiwari. In this latest episode, I am sharing my experiences in mentoring school children like you. I welcome all students to listen to this episode and all previous episodes and get a flavor of this great initiative by Atal Innovation Mission.
Hello everyone, this is Sandeep Kuperkar. I am one of the ATL Regional Mentor of Change for Maharashtra, and I am also CEO and co-founder of Data Science Wizards and founder of Yugma. Both this company put together are in AI and data science space and open source space. This podcast is really going to benefit students because of 2 reasons. One is that they get to know about their Regional Mentor of Change in all the states, and they get to know their views, and also through each mentor they get to know about what is the trend in industry, what kind of technologies and initiatives are picking it up.
Hello all, I am Sanjay. I am co-founder of OI Labs. I am an engineer by profession and entrepreneur by passion. As a RMOC, as a MOC, I think this is the great learning I do have, and I'm quite excited about this podcast series by Vinod. I usually listen out this podcast series, and it was quite excited, and I'm sure you would too as well, because it contains a lot of motivational stories encapsulated by the mentors, by the students, and it will help us out in this journey to get it ahead and that the innovation journey of India. And I think there is good things involved in it, and I wish all the best to Vinod for this podcast series, and thank you so much for having me here.
Hi everyone, my name is Sebin and I am the Regional Mentor of Change for the state of Kerala. This podcast provides an insight to the journey of a regional MOC and his experience with Tinkering and ATL Labs. Every MOCs can get some inspiration from the unique stories. For me, the regional MOC interviews were a great initiative. Through the series, I was able to know about the different RMOCs of different states, the activities carried out by them to skill the children, and the unique stories have inspired me a lot.
Every day brings new learning to us. I hope this podcast also today conveys some bit of insight that I have gained through my life experiences. I've seen students compartmentalize themselves as toppers, failures, and so on. We all have the capability to overcome setbacks and come out with our own unique potential. Some of my listeners today may be students of different standards from different schools. My sincere wish for every one of my listeners today is that my message gets across about believing in your self-worth, and every one of my listeners achieves what they have come in this world for.
This is Seshadri, basically a scientist with a developmental experience of more than 30 years. I've been into the field of academia, research, and also development of entrepreneurship now. This is a wonderful opportunity for most of the students to listen to the experience of the mentors of change identified by Government of India Atal Innovation Mission. So I really thank him for giving me this opportunity and also sharing my experiences.
Hi friends, my name is Vinod Soda. I am the Regional Mentor of Change for Atal Innovation Mission Maharashtra. A quick intro about myself. I started mentoring for the Atal Innovation Mission since inception around about 4 years back. I would request all the students and the other audiences how and why we are thinking more on the innovation part, which can help us the country grow, and instead of depending on the other countries for the innovative products or innovative ideas, our young generations who has got the capability in terms of ruling the world can help to develop some of our internal innovations, and then we can show the world that what is the power of India.
Hello, hi everyone. My name is Vivek Kumar Singh. I am a tech consultant and an entrepreneur. I am also Regional Mentor of Change for Madhya Pradesh. These stories are definitely going to benefit other respectful mentors and our students, that how this Regional Mentor of Change have been contributing in the shaping of the nation with these labs, and how they are revolutionizing this educational system of India.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you very much for such a great insight about you and yourself. Great introduction by all the RMOCs. Now, let me tell you guys that this episode series has been started on a special day. That was my birthday on 19th of July. And today we have successfully completed batch 1 RMOCs across India. Now, you know what? People do ask me that why it has grown up that much. What was the reason? So I'll tell you the reason. There are hundreds of RMOCs and 5,000 plus mentors and 8,500 plus Atal Tinkering Labs. Now let me tell you why. One of the RMOC from Karnataka is making a podcast. His podcast is released, and the Maharashtra RMOC want to know the secret of his understanding and his views. So this Maharashtra RMOC is promoting Karnataka episode to his mentors. And mind it that every RMOC is having hundreds of mentors, and each mentor is mentoring at least 1 or 2 schools, and each school is having hundreds of students. So we are talking in millions, at least if not billions. So the massive growth has happened like anything, and the all credit goes to you all guys. So this is something I'm telling, that the history has been created at least with the batch 1. So now is a big milestone and challenge for the batch number 2. Now you know what, during this time I have interviewed so many personalities, and you know what, the more has been learned by Vinod Tiwari. I learned a lot from you guys. I have interviewed to engineers, founders, CEOs, design thinker, tech consultant, faculties, professors, founders, scientists, corporate trainers, and so on. Now, may I request all the RMOCs to let us know about your feedback. What did you think about the initiative of the podcast? Can you please quickly let us know in short?
And I think this is a great initiative, and this can really connect all the schools and students to the regional mentor, and especially it will be beneficial for the ATL initiative by Niti Aayog. Thank you.
So I would applaud Mr. Vinod Tiwari for taking this initiative up. I believe you are doing a great job by putting all these on all the social media platforms. It will be good if we can go ahead with, if any there are left.
I feel initiating something is easier, but implementing rightly is actually difficult. But all credit goes to Vinodji for making it possible and to make our voices reachable to every nook and corner.
I think the podcast initiative by Mr. Vinod Tiwari is pretty good, because that's how you will be able to reach out to more and more students with the different mentors, and how and if they want to learn something from any one of them, it will definitely help them to connect with them.
I would love for all the mentors to also share it forward amongst your students so that they can know and understand the vision in a deeper way. Thank you.
The initiative of regional mentor interviews by Vinod Tiwari ji sir is really appreciable, and all these interviews will help to expose unsaid and unsung stories of hundreds and thousands of mentors of change.
About this initiative, I would like to thank Vinodji for starting this. This is going to showcase the work done by the regional mentors, almost 100 of them, and also it is going to bring the students closer to the regional mentors whom they might not be knowing.
This initiative of Mr. Vinod Tiwari is really commendable. It will spread out the awareness of Atal Innovation Mission across the world, and it will also catalyze the process of adding more and more job creators. It's an inspiration for other mentors.
And at the outset, I would like to congratulate Mr. Vinod Tiwari for just bringing up a different kind and a very unique kind of an innovative way of sharing the experiences, sharing the mentoring stories and opinions of mentors across India, and not only across India but also making them to reach to the wider masses. Thank you, thumbs up, and best of luck.
I really appreciate Vinod Tiwari sir for taking this initiative to know about RMOC, their strengths and their mastery in the industrialist. So I thank sir for this initiative.
Mr. Vinod Tiwari has been conducting regional mentor interviews regularly, and I'm honored to be one of the speakers in his podcast show. These podcasts are a great opportunity for students to get tips and suggestions from top mentors in the country. Thank you, Vinodji, for bringing out such exceptional podcasts every week.
और मैं मिस्टर विनोद तिवारी को खास धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव जो है वो शुरू किया है, जिसमें सारे भारत के रीजनल मेंटर्स which are appointed by the Atal Innovation Mission are working in different parts of the country. They are working with the students. Thank you very much.
I am very happy to be featured in this True Motivational Stories of India, the Regional Mentor of Change series by Shri Vinod Tiwari, a top 25% podcaster worldwide.
Finally, let me congratulate Sri Vinod Tiwari for his vision and efforts to host interviews with all RMOCs, giving all of us a great platform to share our experiences in mentoring. This would help other mentors to implement those ideas and take mentoring to newer heights. Thank you.
In my opinion, this initiative of interviewing regional mentor of change is not only helpful for students but for all the mentors, because this is a platform where everybody is able to exchange the views and each one is going to get benefited by these views. So I think this is a fantastic initiative and I appreciate Vinod Tiwari for this.
I'm urged to all the mentors, please spread out this message. This is a beautiful message of the innovation spreading out all over the India, globally.
I would like to thank Vinod ji for inviting me to this prestigious podcast series. And also I thank Adal Innovation Mission for providing me such a wonderful opportunity to join hands to build the future India.
Shri Vinod Tiwari ji has come up with this great initiative to connect with a plethora of people across the globe. When I asked Vinod ji whether I deserve to be on this platform, he responded that it is the inner energy of doing something bigger than oneself that needs to be shared. This resonated with my own belief system.
And I must compliment Dr. Vinod Tiwari for such a wonderful initiative, bringing all the experiences coming from different verticals of this mentors to the students. Are really blessed, I would say, because nowhere we can see this kind of experiences coming in one single platform.
Also, I'm quite happy, and I wanted to thank my colleague Mr. Vinod Tiwari for the fantastic job and the opportunity which has been given to all the regional mentor of change to come up on a platform and to speak about the innovation programs. And frankly, I feel honored and lucky where I can talk about the regional mentor of programs and motivate the students.
Regional Mentor of Change interview is a noble initiative by Mr. Vinod Tiwari, who is also Professor of Life, Magician of Words, and Regional Mentor of Change for Gujarat itself. In this podcast, we are collecting knowledge, experience, and true motivational stories.
Wow, thank you very much. What a great feedback. Thank you so much. And let me tell you that I am more excited and more happy and more thankful to you because I was the person who have got an opportunity to touch upon with the brilliant minds of India. Yes, you all are the cream of India. And let me tell you that the way you are selflessly working without any expectation for the nation building, so I want to take this story and spread it across everywhere. And I want to promote the great initiative and thoughts of Atal Tinkering Lab. So finally, I would like to appreciate and thankful to the Government of India, to our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, to Niti Aayog, to the AIM team and all the RMOCs, MOCs, RTOCs and Teacher of Change, all the principals, all the teachers, all the parents and all the students. And yes, finally, I would like to say thank you to our sponsor, rkswealth.com. So guys, now it's time to welcome batch 2 RMOCs on the board. Yes, it's a brilliant set of RMOCs who are lined up and I'm going to reach them alphabetically. So guess what? Stay tuned for a great invitation from me to your inbox. I'm coming to you. So this new year is going to come with a lot of excitement and I want to wish each one of you a great, happy and prosperous new year, which is going to fulfill all your dreams in 2022 and coming years. Thank you very much for being a great fan of the podcast. You can watch it at Apple, you can watch it at Google, you can watch it at Spotify or Amazon Music. Wherever you are happy, you can tune in. And yes, keep doing the great work because your love and your affection is making India #1 in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Appreciate your time to join this week episode. We hope that you have enjoyed the knowledge and content as shared by the Regional Mentor of Change. We would like to convey our sincere thanks to Niti Aayog, AIM team and all the sponsors. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, rate and review. And you can also share it with others on your social media and WhatsApp groups. This show is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Amazon Music, Stitcher, and you can choose your favorite channel. Join us again on next Monday to meet exciting new personality from a different region of India. To catch all the latest podcast from Mr. Vinod Tiwari, You can follow him on Instagram at I am Vinod Tiwari. See you next Monday. Have a pleasant evening.